For me, nature is magic. Not because it's loud or dramatic, but because it's always speaking. The rhythm of the rain, the stillness between bird songs, the trees, the wind, they all carry messages for those who slow down enough to feel them. Nature doesn't perform, it invites, it mirrors, and it remembers who you were before the noise. When you listen deeply, you are not just hearing the world outside. You're reconnecting with the world within. Your intuitive voice, your knowing, your wild truth.